So hello learners, how are you all? I think you all are fine and doing great and amazing things in your life. So as we all know that I am running a 30-day English speaking challenge and you are also participating with us. So that was day first, and every day I am uploading the videos in the evening at 7 p.m. So this is our day 2 of English speaking 30-day challenge. So in this video I am going to share some techniques and some phrases which is very important to speak English, because if we are going to speak or to talk somebody, it requires some basic phrases, so which we have to know and we have to memorize these phrases. So suppose if we are going to meet any stranger for the first time, so how we are going to start our conversation? So let's see, we are going to say hi, how are you? As usually we say hi, how are you, and how is it going, and how have you been. So all these sentences which you can use in the first time if you are meeting to any stranger. Hi, how are you, how is it going, how have you been. And suppose if you are meeting someone for a long time, after a long time, so how you are going to start your conversation with them? So suppose you meet someone for a long time, so you can say, I haven't seen you in years. I haven't seen you in years. Where have you been? Welcome back, stranger. So you can say like this, I haven't seen you years. So you can say like this, I haven't seen you in years. Where have you been? Welcome back, stranger. So you can say like this. And if that person can give positive response, negative response and neutral. So if he is giving positive response like couldn't be better, or keeping myself busy, or I am cool, so the positive response can be like this, and the neutral response can be so and so, and not very well, or I have been under the weather. So this is a phrase which someone can use. I have been under the weather. I have been under the weather. It means someone is sick or someone is not in good mood. So he use I have been under the weather. So you can also use all these sentences to improve your English speaking and start the conversation with someone. And if you are going to ask about day, about anyone's day, how is he is spending his day, so you can how you are going to ask, so you can ask him, how is everything, how is everything, how are you feeling, how are things with you, how are things with you. So all these phrases which is very short phrases which you can use. How is everything, how are you feeling, how are things with you. So if you are saying to anyone bye, goodbye, if you are saying to anyone goodbye, so how are you going to say? So you can say, see you real soon, see you real soon, I will talk to you soon, I will talk to you soon. It was a pleasure meeting you. It was a pleasure meeting you. So these are the simple phrases which is very important to start conversation with anyone. So we have to use all these sentences in our daily use to improve our English speaking. So this is day 2 and keep learning and keep growing and be 1% better every day and just enhance your English speaking. So thank you for today and we will meet in next video.